Yogurt is a versatile and nutritious food that can provide numerous health benefits for your body. Here's what happens to your body when you eat yogurt every day. Within hours of eating yogurt, the probiotics in it can start to improve your gut health. The beneficial bacteria in yogurt can break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently, improving digestion. Yogurt's protein and carbohydrate content can provide sustained energy throughout the day. After a few days of eating yogurt daily, you may notice improved digestion due to the probiotics. The good bacteria in yogurt can help reduce symptoms of bloating, gas, and constipation. Yogurt's high calcium content can also promote stronger bones and teeth over time. After a week of eating yogurt daily, you may notice more significant improvements in your digestion. The probiotics in yogurt can help balance the bacteria in your gut, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthier immune system. After a month of eating yogurt daily, you may notice an improvement in your skin health. The probiotics in yogurt can help reduce inflammation, which can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. The calcium in yogurt can also contribute to better bone health over time. After a year of eating yogurt daily, your immune system may be stronger due to the probiotics. Regular consumption of yogurt can help your body fight off infections more effectively. Additionally, studies have shown that eating yogurt daily for a year or more can lower your risk of heart disease by reducing bad cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and inflammation. It's important to note that the benefits of eating yogurt every day can vary depending on the type of yogurt you eat, as well as your overall diet and lifestyle. To get the most health benefits, opt for plain, low-fat or non-fat yogurt with live and active cultures. Cut to a person with a dairy allergy holding a non-dairy yogurt alternative. And if you have a dairy allergy or intolerance, it's important to choose a non-dairy yogurt alternative. Incorporating yogurt into your daily diet can provide numerous health benefits for your body, ranging from improved digestion to stronger bones and a healthier immune system. So go ahead and enjoy a bowl of yogurt every day.